The Age of Exploration, also known as the Age of Discovery, was a period of extensive exploration, voyages, and conquests that took place from the 15th to the 17th centuries. It was driven by various factors, including a desire for wealth, the search for new trade routes, religious fervor, and a thirst for knowledge. This era witnessed significant advancements in navigation, shipbuilding, and cartography, leading to the exploration and colonization of previously unknown parts of the world. Here is a detailed exploration of the Age of Exploration. Hello and welcome to our channel. You are watching Actually Explained. Before further diving into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow us on our other social media platforms. Motives for exploration. Trade and wealth. European nations sought direct access to the lucrative trade routes of the East, bypassing the monopoly of Arab and Italian merchants. This desire for spices, silks, and other valuable goods motivated explorers to seek new maritime routes. Technological advancements. Advances in navigation, such as the development of the astrolabe and compass, made long-distance sea voyages more feasible. The invention of the printing press also facilitated the dissemination of geographical knowledge. Religious zeal. The Catholic Church played a significant role in promoting exploration, as European powers sought to spread Christianity to newly discovered lands and convert indigenous populations. Curiosity and knowledge. Renaissance humanism and the thirst for knowledge encouraged explorers to seek new lands, peoples, and scientific discoveries. European explorers and voyages. Portuguese explorers. The Portuguese led the early stages of exploration. Bartolomeu Dias rounded the Cape of Good Hope in 1488, while Vasco da Gama reached India in 1498, establishing a direct sea route. Spanish conquistadors. Spanish explorers, such as Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, and Hernan Cortés, undertook bold expeditions, resulting in the colonization of the Americas and the circumnavigation of the globe. English, French, and Dutch explorers. Explorers from England, France, and the Netherlands, including Sir Francis Drake, Jacques Cartier, and Willem van Schoen, undertook voyages to establish trade routes, claim territories, and expand their empires. Conquests and colonization. Conquest of the Americas. Spanish conquistadors, including Hernan Cortés and Francisco Pizarro, subjugated indigenous civilizations in the Americas, such as the Aztecs and Incas, leading to the establishment of vast Spanish territories. Portuguese Empire. Portugal established a trading empire that stretched from Brazil to Africa, India, and East Asia, controlling lucrative trade routes and establishing colonies. European colonization. European powers established colonies across the globe, claiming territories in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. These colonies provided raw materials, labor, and markets for European nations, enriching the colonial powers. Scientific and geographic advancements. Cartography and mapping. The Age of Exploration saw significant advancements in cartography and mapmaking. Notable cartographers, such as Gerardus Mercator and Abraham Ortelius, produced detailed maps that expanded geographical knowledge. Scientific observations. Explorers documented new species, geological formations, and cultural practices, contributing to scientific knowledge and understanding of the natural world. Astronomical discoveries. Navigational advancements, such as accurate celestial observations and the use of accurate timekeeping instruments, enabled sailors to navigate more accurately and traverse long distances. Impact and consequences. Columbian Exchange. The exploration and subsequent colonization resulted in the Columbian Exchange, the widespread exchange of plants, animals, diseases, and cultural influences between the Old World and the New World. This exchange had far-reaching consequences on ecosystems, economies, and societies. Transatlantic slave trade. The demand for labor in the New World led to the transatlantic slave trade, as millions of Africans were forcibly transported and enslaved. This deeply impacted African societies and contributed to the economic development of European colonies. Cultural exchange. The Age of Exploration facilitated cultural exchange, as European explorers encountered new civilizations and brought back ideas, knowledge, and artifacts from other parts of the world. Geopolitical shifts. Exploration and colonization resulted in the establishment of global empires and a reordering of geopolitical power. European nations gained wealth, prestige, and influence through their colonies, shaping the balance of power in subsequent centuries. The Age of Exploration revolutionized our understanding of the world, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, trade, and human achievement. It brought about significant cultural, economic, and geopolitical shifts that continue to shape our world today. The explorers' voyages, discoveries, and conquests forever changed the course of history, leaving a complex legacy of both triumphs and tragedies. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this if you find this useful. Goodbye.